Hello everybody, welcome to another episode of Clark's Farm. Please don't forget to like the videos, subscribe to the channel, get notifications of our video out every Sunday. This week we are heading to the ploughing. Yeah, something we go to every year, wouldn't really miss it. Great day out. Yeah, a good chance to get luck around different machines and stuff and different ideas and all you can get at. Not as good as other years. There used to be cattle and stuff like it. There's not so much cattle on it now, but still good show. So yeah, let's get at it. So it's 5 o'clock in the morning. Either in Gavin the Jeep, heading to the ploughing. Let's get there good and early, you see. All excited, look. Back at the main attraction for any show we go to. It's fancy crushes, but just love them. This is a fancy one. Oh. They must have seen us coming.
But even this here, it's far
nice crush. These clip-axe ones are always finished unbelievably. I'd say if we were going to go for one, it'd be a clip-axe one, I imagine. The only thing I don't like about them is the head scoop. There's better head scoops out there and theirs, but seriously finished crush like. This is probably what we spend the duration of our day doing, just mess about crush all day and buying that probably.
Probably about it. Not a chance. Single farm hem wasn't that good.
Just something attracts us to it.
And on display today we have the best ploughing from women and men from all
nice
over
crush there
Ireland
too.
and beyond, battling it out in the 9 classes. This year, Ireland is hosting the European Vintage Ploughing Competition.
Very well finished too.
So we have
I don't think I've seen these before, and I've looked at a lot of them.
In 6 classes from 7
Strong
countries,
crush.
from Northern Ireland, England, Netherlands, Wales, Scotland, Germany and of course Ireland. You can check them out at the ploughing field. Don't forget we have the horse ploughing, which is a personal favourite of mine, and you'll see the horses down between gates 4 and 6. And you know that we have 2 world champions, 2 European champions, and we're delighted that they're with us today as well, all down at the ploughing field. Now there's a free bus every 20 minutes from gate 1. So gate 1, there's a free bus down to the ploughing field. And it will return then, it'll be going around, there'll be a couple of buses going around all day.
That's definitely a nice crush.
Now, we also have 3 fabulous
Get to the end more of the show, we found a crush here that actually works.
And 1, 2, 6.
Yeah, the people in the front of the crush. It's going to be dangerous. That is some job. Bought.
Yes. What are we saying? What's a good saving? You need sunglasses to plough. Someday effort. Unreal. Not a cloud in the sky nearly. 10 o'clock in the morning, it's time for breakfast. No, we're heading for. Hard bit having Adrian, the designated driver.
Save hands when you're some of the students that are coming through this program.
Yeah. Amy, I'd like to do last few words for you.
Angus plant here, booming, there's great crowds about it. Yeah, it'll be the end of the Angus for us anyway. The next 3 years we'll fizzle out. No more Angus. Some crowds here. That is not wise. Like. I'd say it's as busy as probably I've ever seen it. Just over here looking at the Joshkin rear lift charge spreader. Looks smaller than ours, but I don't know. Maybe she's not, maybe she's the look for her. But she's the chain floor in it. I would nearly say the Marshall nearly better built looking to Dunsferry. Better finish at the back anyway, that's for certain. Ours with the fold away covers and all the lights and stuff. That's what we say out late. I don't know, I would say I'd be happy with the Marshall now, the look of it. One thing that is galvanised, but the galvanised gets agey looking over a couple of years. Yeah, still a good machine though. It just looks so wrong. No normal that like.
Exactly, it's you stop going on there, it's not so cheap.
And then the John Deere who good advertisement I suppose. But it just looked weird. And as per usual, farmhand have an unbelievable stand in. Look at that for a beast of sprayer. The Amazon sprayer. Now the new big aim.
I never met you doing it.
Well, jeez, I never thought it was a dab feeder, but there's one there would just do us lovely. Nice, sweet, handy, small dab feeder. Should go down and pass away the best. That's quite cool. Very, very handy. Lovely big county here by 1184. Well done. Jeez, if Joe McBride is here, you'd never get him away from it. Just looking here now, new dump trailer from Throne Trailers here. Meat farm machinery selling them. Just a lovely trailer, fine trailer. I've got an absolute brute.
When the wheel torn across the
Oh yeah. You put it again, so you know, they won't be late.
That is so cool. What a tractor. There she is, one of the most famous 1200s in Ireland.
If you approach my home, going down to the back of
It's well done now, you have to hand it to him. Very well finished. After maybe 4 if not 5 years of going to the ploughing, this is the first time I've actually seen the tractors ploughing. And he just stopped it, surely.
Oh yeah, okay.
I've hand on the heel as well, just press stand out here. The big screen all up. This is our new baler here, the FA60. 560. The turntable and all, some job. Many years ago, before we had the Fusion, we had the F550. She's a great wee baler. Yeah, it's quite a difference from that there now. Quite a bit of kit.
Visor sitting on it.
So you should go back.
I have no idea. Track inside the hole.
Quite a handy wee tool there. What for, I'm not sure, but it'd be handy for something. All about the show love, it's the vintage. We've always got out fleet stuff. Old tools and all, it was cool. Old chrome down spread a lot of. See some old buttons here. Quite a look there. Had Ranald. Remember that having an oil like that? How Ford car go away. Some yoke. Big balers. Not too many of them yokes about.
I'm on a mission, I'm paying dues, I'm in position, I'm staying up, it's getting late, you're doing good, I'm doing great, recognition, I'm on a mission, I'm paying dues, I'm in position, I'm staying up, it's getting late, you're doing good, I'm doing great. Hours of practice, they don't feel like working, overthinking, I don't mean to let the pain and hurting. I was main stage with Tiny at a festival. Reality's a just less than 24 hours past and I'm back to working. The wage isn't minimum, but when you know your worth is more, you make your own curriculum. Study in the industry, I know you see me killing them. Nice, it felt so real, I had some moments I was living them. Celebrity, civilian, walk amongst the greats that you ignore. The ones relentlessly pursuing every key to every door. It's evergreen and evermore if you're content with living normally. I'm handing in my notice to the world on record formally. I know this life is right for me. I know the future's bright for me. I know my teachers lied to me. I do it for the ones that came before and nearly died for me. Recognition, I'm on a mission. I'm paying dues, I'm I'm in position, I'm staying up. It's getting late, you're doing good, I'm doing great. Recognition, I'm on a mission, I'm paying dues, I'm in position, I'm staying up. It's getting late, you're doing good, I'm doing great. I had to let you go so I could grow and move. When time is of the essence, then it should improve. I had to leave to see what I could do alone. And when I get the money, then I'm coming home. I had to let you go so I could grow and move. When time is of the essence, then it should improve. I had to leave to see what I could do alone. And when I get the money, then I'm coming home.
So,
Recognition.
Adrian had a great time to plough. Yeah, that's the end of it. What a day's crack. Unreal. Great show, serious crowds. I think it's the busiest we've seen yet. Good selection of stuff on it. Just not as many tractors and stuff as last year. But yeah, definitely a good show. Enjoyed it now. We did make a few purchases. We'll leave that to come. You can see that in the future weeks whenever they arrive or whatever. We get the deals finalised and stuff like that. But yeah, it was a worthwhile journey down. I have to say I really enjoyed it. And roll on next year. So, how did we get on to ploughing? Unreal. Great, really enjoyed it. Great day, serious crowds in it. Jeez, it was jammed. Because of the crowds, you didn't just get to see everything as much as you want to. You sort of felt rushed a wee bit, like I said. But look, it was grand. As I was saying there, we did buy something. We actually bought a couple of things at it, which will be coming there in the next few weeks. Hopefully all being well. Yeah, so it was definitely a success. Enjoyed it. But yeah, so that's all we have time for this week. Please don't forget to like the video. Drop any comments you have below. What do you think we have bought? Something we are going to use quite a bit on the farm. Leave the whole job a bit easier. It's also something that's going to be available for hire too. It is an attachment for one of the machines. But yeah, yes, that's us. Yeah, don't forget to subscribe also. You get notifications of our video out every Sunday. And check out the website for merch. That's all from us. All the best now. Good luck.